Effective marketing equals building lasting relationships with your users. Another day, another dollar. Hello and welcome back to another exciting installment of the Side Hustle Weekend series. Continuing from our last newsletter, which focused on user acquisition strategies, we're shifting our focus to the process of keeping your acquired users' interest and building lasting relationships with them. Doing this is important to help your product transform into a fully sustainable business. In today's newsletter, we'll talk about taking advantage of AI tools to craft enticing marketing content, understand where your audience engages with you, and how to maximize these resources to build long-lasting connections with your users. Remember, cultivating these relationships is not just about getting users to know your product, but about ensuring that they stay interested and become loyal customers. Understanding your channels. The first step in any marketing strategy is understanding where your audience spends their time. In this digital age, there's a multitude of platforms to consider. However, not all social media platforms will be suitable for your product or service, and that's completely okay. The goal isn't to be on all platforms, but to be present where your potential users are most likely to engage with your brand. Start by researching who your ideal users are, their interests, their habits, and where they prefer to get their information. This can be done through tools such as Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, or by directly surveying your audience using tools like Typeform. If your audience is primarily professionals, consider focusing on LinkedIn. If they are younger and more visually oriented, Instagram or TikTok might be better options. Remember, sometimes your most effective marketing channel may not be online at all. For example, if your product caters to a local community, consider hosting events or meetups or partnering with local businesses for promotional purposes. Using AI for marketing content. After you have a firm understanding of where your audience spends their time, the next step is creating content that catches their attention and keeps them engaged. The competition for attention in these spaces can be tough, which is why you need your marketing content to stand out. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva can become your secret weapon. ChatGPT is an AI text generator that helps you craft a variety of content, from catchy social media captions and compelling blog post titles to engaging email subject lines. By learning from a massive database of text, it can generate creative and compelling content that captures your brand's voice. Canva, on the other hand, is an AI-powered design tool that simplifies graphic design. It provides numerous templates for social media posts, presentations, logos, and more. So, even if you're not a designer, you can still create professional-looking graphics that align with your brand. The beauty of these tools is their versatility and ease of use. They can save you precious time and help make sure that your marketing content resonates with your target audience, leading to better engagement and stronger relationships. Creating your marketing strategy with AI. Content creation is only one piece of the marketing puzzle. The other part involves crafting a strategy that delivers your content to your audience effectively. This means knowing when to post, which posts are performing well, which ones aren't, and why. To help you gain this insight, consider using analytics tools. Tools such as Hootsuite and Sprout Social provide a deep dive into how your content is performing across different channels, enabling you to adjust your strategy accordingly. They can show you the best times to post, the types of posts that get the most engagement, and trends in your audience behavior. Another example from Vanessa's journey. We're learning from Vanessa's journey again. After successfully acquiring users for her AI-powered fitness app, she knew she had to keep her users engaged and transform them into loyal customers. To achieve this, she followed a step-by-step process, much like the one outlined above. First, Vanessa conducted thorough research to understand where her audience was most active. She found that her users spent a significant amount of their time on Instagram and in specific online fitness forums. She therefore decided to focus her efforts on these channels, making sure her content and interactions would reach her users where they were most comfortable and engaged. To create compelling content, Vanessa used ChatGPT and Canva. With ChatGPT, she was able to generate captivating captions for her Instagram posts and thought-provoking posts for the fitness forums, while Canva helped her design eye-catching graphics that complemented her posts and resonated with her audience. Vanessa also incorporated analytics into her strategy. She used Hootsuite Insights to understand which of her posts were performing well and why. These insights allowed her to continually refine her strategy, ensuring she was delivering the right content at the right time. Moreover, Vanessa saw the value in offline engagement. She started hosting local fitness meetups and workout sessions, which worked well for her. It gave her users a sense of community and made them feel more connected to the brand, leading to increased brand loyalty. Once again, it's your turn. Now it's your turn to begin crafting your marketing strategy. As you do, remember these key points. Understand your channels, know where your audience spends time, and focus your efforts there. Leverage AI tools. Use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT and Canva to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Craft your strategy. Use AI analytics to understand how your content is performing and continually refine your strategy. In the next edition of our series, we will delve into growth hacking techniques and how to iterate your product with limited resources. Until then, stay motivated and keep on hustling.